Laxman had bitter experience sourcing a garment accessories product. That's when Laxman meets Ram of KEPL, an expert with over 21 years experience in garment trims and accessories manufacturing and sourcing. Established export business since 2001. Ram convinces Laxman KEPL ensures a quality product and in-time delivery at competitive prices, having its own sampling facility and export quality muller machines. Helps KEPL deliver sample quickly and highly quality productions. Strong and reliable partnerships with certified and socially compliant manufacturers of all materials, helps at variety of trendy accessories. Highly resourceful design and quality team together with a strong ERP system, keeps customers constantly updated on the progress. Both seasonal and time-sensitive accessories requirements, Laxman is ensured in good hands, starting from sampling to shipping, making Laxman happy repeated customer of KEPL trims and accessories manufacturer. Designed and created by VirtualDot Studios for company presentation or promotion by Yash Bandari.